Today we're diving into a detailed look at the double-ended mini dust blind cleaner from CHUIXUAN, a versatile and portable cleaning tool that promises to make your cleaning chores a breeze. What makes this product stand out is its double-ended design, which effectively addresses different cleaning needs around the house and in your car. At first glance, the dimensions of this tool are compact, specifically 17 cm by 4.5 cm by 2.5 cm, making it incredibly easy to handle and store. This size is perfect for reaching into those narrow and often overlooked spaces like car vents, keyboards, and between blinds. Despite its small size, it's equipped with a nylon brush head designed to tackle dust efficiently on any size window blind, offering a thorough clean by accessing both sides of the blind with one swipe. Another notable feature is the towel cloth cover that accompanies the brush. This cover is not only soft, ensuring no scratches or damages occur during cleaning, but it's also removable and washable. This reusability aspect is a great plus, both economically and environmentally, as it reduces the need for disposable wipes. Portability is a major advantage of this mini brush. It's easy to carry around the house or keep in your car's glove compartment for quick touch-ups on the go. This makes it an excellent tool for regular cleaning and especially useful for those quick cleanups before a guest arrives or after a road trip. This cleaner isn't just for household blinds or car vents. Its versatility extends to air conditioners, fans, and even electronic items like keyboards that can accumulate dust and debris that's hard to reach with normal dusters or cloths. The fact that it's designed to clean delicate surfaces without causing damage ensures that this mini brush can be used on a variety of items around. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.